Hello friend, good morning. Today I want to tell you regarding for CSUP building inspection certification course. What is the requirement? What type of building certifications are there? Because I seen many requests from my audience, so I thought to make a to tell you all about the CSUP regarding for CSUP about the certification program and about their process and schedule about that. Okay, so CSUP is the basically it is the described by TWI UK. TWI is known as the Building Institute UK. These are the body institute which they provide the worldwide certifications for the building inspectors. Okay, so CSUP building inspectors, this is the course especially for the design for the inspection engineer and supervisory staff. There is a three courses. One is the CSUP 3.0, second is the CSUP 3.1, and third is the CSUP 3.2. So CSUP 3.0 is the basic building inspections, that is the for visual building inspector course. Second is the CSUP 3.1, that is the building inspector, certified building inspector, and CSUP 3.2, that is the senior building inspector. Okay, SCWI. So about CSUP 3.0 is especially designed for the builders, operators, line inspectors, and foremen who can carry out the visual inspections for the bed joint. What about the exam syllabus? That I will do these practicals like part A, part B, and basic you need to have a score 70%. Okay, I will tell you about like this for visual building inspector. This is for CSIP 3.0. This is the for 3.0. What they need: post building inspections, visual inspection, dimension check, and complete building inspections, certifications, requirement, and training under supervision of the building inspector and senior certified building inspector. So 3.0 will work under the supervision of 3.1 building inspector or 3.2 building inspector. Okay, what is the there establish the most suitable building process, codes and standards, parent material identifying, building consumable identify, pre-inspections, pre-heatings, and these are the scope of building inspectors which he will do, which he will certify 3.0. Okay, building inspector this sorry building inspector, this is for 3.1. This is for supervisory of visual building inspector in the conduct of the audits activities, building procedures, establish a procedure is available that has been appropriate authority and will require in productions, witness of builder in the procedures, approval test, witness the preparation of test piece, destructive testing, and compliance with the appropriate standards, builder approval, verification and accurate valid building approvals are available that only approved by the builders. Post build heat treatments, verification that post build heat treatment has been conducted in accordance with the specifications requirement and reports preparation. So these activities and duties of the 3.1 building inspector. Okay, now senior certified building inspector. So this is the 3.2. This for 3.2 certified inspector, senior certified building inspector. Those responsible is the supervision of building inspector and visual building inspector in conduct of activities, certification of compliances, building drawings, record maintenance of comprehensive inspections record, belt defect, identify of the belt defect and determinations, acceptability in the relation to the written specification and entity results, and quality assurance. Requirement prior to taking a certification stage, job responsibility and experience criteria for examination eligibilities as given below are strictly adhered to the and to enforce. Visual building inspectors, although there is no specific experience required, it is recommended that candidate possess a minimum of the 6-month building related engineering experience and 2 year of the industry. So minimum, these are the experience required for the 3.0 certifications. This for 3.1 building inspectors, minimum 3-year building inspections requirement, duties and responsibility listed on this one. Or C-3 means or people should have the building inspectors for minimum 2-year work experience in the same area, and CC building inspector or CC building foreman and minimum 1 year. So these are the minimum, one of that minimum experience could be requirement. Okay, and what others requirements? 5-year authentications with building inspections experience, related duties and responsibility. Trainings, all candidates must under CSU approved course for training at the appropriate level prior to examinations. Detail of the, okay, these are the websites which you can get the more details for the courses and all. Okay, what is the health and sites requirements? You can see these are the your IE requirements. Candidate need to be the satisfactory physical conditions of the persons completing the applications form required to signify the candidate health and eyesight. Eyesight minimum requirement Jagger number 1 or time Roman N5 font. Okay, these are the minimum requirements for the IE. Okay, for mature candidate route offering exempting from formal training available for the followings. Like if someone is having more experience on that, so if you want to go for the 3.0, so minimum you should have the 10-year work experience. If you want to go for the 3.1, you should have the 10-year work experience, or if you are going for the 3.2 certification senior certified building inspector, so the candidate who have internationally building inspectors standard diploma with the 2-year recent continuous senior building inspection duties, so they could go by the direct. Okay, for the these are the for the mature candidate routes. Okay, so visual inspection building inspectors, and what is the written examinations requirements? So in the written examinations, practical for 2 examination object, 8 examination specimens, a set of destructive test. Okay, for the senior building inspector 3.1, candidate who don't have hold a valid CC building inspector certificate must have the complete the full building inspector examinations including mature candidates in addition to the procedure the outline. Written examinations and practical examinations like scrutiny for inspections related document, scrutinize the entire fabrication drawing, and also multiple choice questions. And supplementary radiographic interpretations, which are the like if you are 3.2.1, there is RT examination will not, but if you are going for the 3.2.2, then RT radiographic interpretation also will be there, and there you have to interpret the radiography film, and then you will be certified as a senior certified building inspector with RI. Okay, so 3.1, 3.2.1 and 3.2.2. For practical examinations, candidate are required to conduct 5 density readings for this or for the RT for RI radiography interpretation, and 5 sensitivities questions. Application for the examination and the fees, these are the already, if you will send an email to them and they will tell you. In India also many TWI center is also there in the Chennai, so you can ask with them whatever is the fees and all. But for the preparatory you should go through, and these are the certifications stages which you can choose as per your experience requirement. Okay, this certification is the you have to minimum score 75% in the exam, and this certification for the 5 years, and renewal is the every 5 years you have to do it. and 10 years recertifications. Okay, so these are the about C-SWIP 3.0, 3.1 and 3.2.1 and 3.2.2. Okay, so these are the all about the your step about the C-SWIP certifications. Okay, so if you have any questions, any doubt, any type of the questions, preparatory classes and all about online classes also we are providing, and we are helping to the student free of cost. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my channel. Please subscribe and give me your comments which topic you need, and I will try to give you the all information. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye.